Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 NV Passenger. The NV Passenger is a mixture of functionality, efficiency, and performance. It also provides the ultimate flexibility in both seating and cargo space. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, wheel covers, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.